In this problem, the signal xt is given and we are asked to compute its Fourier transform. To solve this problem, we first simplify the signal and rewrite it in a form whose Fourier transform is easier to compute. First, let's recall Euler formula. You can write sine of theta as 1 over 2j e to the power of j theta minus 1 over 2j e to the power of minus j theta. So the signal xt can be rewritten as t e to the power of minus 2t multiplied by 1 over 2j e to the power of j 4t minus 1 over 2j e to the power of minus j 4t multiplied by ut. Here theta equals 4t. Now let's simplify this expression. We factor out 1 over 2j. Then we combine the exponential terms. So we can rewrite the signal as 1 over 2j multiplied by t e to the power of minus 2 minus j4t ut minus t e to the power of minus 2 plus j4t ut. Recall an important Fourier transform pairs. The Fourier transform of t e to the power of minus at ut is 1 divided by a plus j omega all squared. Now we apply this formula to each term. So the Fourier transform of xt, which we denote by xj omega, becomes xj omega equals 1 over 2j times 1 over 2 minus j4 plus j omega squared minus 1 over 2 plus j4 plus j omega squared. So in this example we used Euler formula, signal simplification, and known Fourier transform pairs to compute the Fourier transform of the signal step by step. We have many more examples like this on the channel. Also, if you have any question, you can contact me by email. My email address is available in the channel description.